Thanks for having us, Shannon.
Jared, really appreciate you, man, as a local business person in our community and all that you've been able to do. I just want to find out a little bit more about what you do. Could you explain a little bit about HHO Carbon Clean Systems?
HHO Carbon Clean Systems, we're a preventative maintenance company. We support the automotive industry. Our goal is to increase performance, increase longevity of engines through the proper maintenance. For 20 years, I've been in the automotive industry as a shop owner, and I saw the problems firsthand that my customers were facing. And that was a lot of downtime and a lot of expense due to carbon buildup. I wanted to find a solution for that problem, and I didn't want to use chemicals because I saw how chemicals affected my technicians, their hands, their skin were breathing that nasty stuff in. And I wanted to find a way to do it that was clean and good for the environment. During 2020, we kind of got this process out, tested it out in the public. The results were fantastic. We needed to scale the company, so we knew that we were not going to be able to buy a lot of vans and hire a lot of people during COVID. We decided to go the franchise route and become franchisors and offer this business model to other entrepreneurs and people wanting to start their own business.
That's great, man. I certainly love the business model. Congratulations on all your success. What do you think sets HHO apart as a franchisor?
Yeah, so we're the only company doing what we do. We are first to market, so that is huge in the franchise world and in the business world. We're offering a business model that nobody else is doing. No competition besides chemical carbon cleanings that people are doing in shops. So it's a great opportunity. The profit margins and return on investment are fantastic. They're way above the average of most franchisors.
Jared, I think you said you had 23 years as a ASE master mechanic. Is that right?
ASE master tech. Yes.
Okay, master tech. Who's sort of your target franchisee that you're looking for? Is this somebody who's got all kinds of maintenance experience? My father could take a transmission apart and put it back together, and I can barely fumble through putting a battery on. So
right.
Who are you looking for to help as a franchisee?
Yeah, automotive background is good. We love people with automotive background, but sales and business experience is the most important. We can train the technical side of that. New franchisees come to our headquarters for a week for hands-on training. It's a great week. It's a lot of fun. But what we do is not super hard. We're usually loosening a clamp to install a fitting to do our service. We're not taking a lot of stuff apart. It's super easy. The business side of it and the sales side of it is where we like to see that experience.
I'm curious, Jared, what drives you as the owner? What is sort of your overall picture? Where do you see this thing continuing to go?
Yeah, we want to keep growing and keep pushing in this market. I mean, we have some other revenue streams right now with our equipment. We are now leasing our equipment to shops, along with doing the mobile service. We want to be the go-to for carbon removal preventative maintenance in shops or the fleets calling us directly. I mean, that's our goal. We want to keep pushing until we get there.
So what sets your business model apart, Jared, as a franchisee?
Shannon, we're a modern business model. We're a mobile service. We have a online suite of tools, CRM, that sort of thing, low overhead. We're all that stuff. But the big setup part for us is we are first to market in an industry where every internal combustion engine, every car driving down the road is your potential customer. I mean, the sky is the limit on customers that you can go out and target. And to me, that is the biggest benefit from franchising and being a franchisee with HHO.